cash flow, net profit. As a business owner, which one is more important, and what do they both mean? One of the most common things I hear from business owners is that they want to grow their business, but they don't know their numbers. And that's a mismatch, and it doesn't work. If you are serious about growing your business, then you also need to get serious about knowing your numbers and understanding what they mean. So today I'd like to share with you a little bit about cash flow and net profit. Here are two things you need to know when it comes to cash flow. One is really cash flow is what's sitting in your bank account today. And as a business owner, what can you expect to flow into your bank account tomorrow, and what's going to leave your bank account in the near future? Because that's important to know, right? You know, you have big plans for your business, but if you don't have the cash to see those plans into action, you're stuck. And so really understanding what money is coming in and how can you speed up the money coming in? You know, what are the business strategies you can put into place to speed up the money coming in so it's not all sitting in an accounts receivable file of you don't know when Sally or Bob are gonna pay you, and turning that into money in the bank, and then having an equal understanding of the expenses that you're going to incur and how you're going to pay or finance for those expenses and investments over time, so that you as a business owner can enjoy life and have freedom. Because what we want to see is business owners having fun and freedom, and to do that you really need to understand cash flow. The other concept, net profit, those two things you need to understand about net profit is something that happened in the past. It's a point in time, and it's an accounting term that talks about revenue minus expenses equals net profit or net loss. Now, when you get into it with accountants, you'll find out that some of those expenses that are accounted for on your income statement are non-cash expenses, like depreciation, amortization, and those types of things. And those things are not cash related, and so it can lower your net profit to make it look like you maybe didn't do as well as you thought you did, and yet you have a really good bank balance sitting in your business account. So it's really important to understand the relationship between cash flow and net profit, and then what do you need to do to serve your business in its best way? How do you need to make those two things work for you? And that's where we share lots of strategies and tips at the Growth Academy to get you through whatever stage of business you currently find yourself in. You can learn more on our website or like this page for more information.